First, I'd like to thank St. Mary's very much. This was a wonderful experience for me, and thank you to my director and for all the people in Saul that supported me. I was one who really had trouble with math. I even went as far as got a tutor. And then on the darn test, they didn't ask me a math question. So I was a little disappointed. That was a skewed test. You needed to ask us more. But it's been it's been a long time coming. I wanted to go back to school, but I was afraid to. And actually, I was just sharing with Esther, the first time I went to take the compass test, I had a panic attack, and I had to leave. I couldn't take the test. Since then, I've gone and taken the test, I passed the test, and I'm going to be starting at MATC. But it's I thought it was a 9-month journey. Obviously, I can't count. But of self-learning and of self-searching, and I've learned so much about about myself. I have my own learning style, and I have what it takes to make a commitment to school, which is something I didn't think I had in me. And I may struggle, and at some point I may fail, but I've learned that that's okay too. Saw has given me all the tools I need to move forward, and my self-esteem is growing, and for the first time in a very long time, I feel that I have choices and I have hope. So thank you all very much.